Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to read the feedback that you get through your Power Drafts. So what you'll notice as you go to D2L, go to the Dropbox, and you'll see that I have actually uploaded a document with your name on it. When you open this document, you will now see your exact draft, but with comments out to the side. Now, if you don't see the comments or if you just see little bubbles, if you go up top in Word to review, there is a section that says show comments. I recommend that you click show comments so that you can see them out to the side. So for each comment, there's a little line drawn that connects it to what it's actually referring to. So maybe, for example, I suggested cutting a particular section. So whenever I click on that, it actually highlights the entire section that I am talking about for this student. So what you'll again see, you'll see my name, and sometimes you may even see it look kind of like this, where there's a down drop arrow. So make sure if you have some comments that are kind of squished together, you click on it so that you can see the rest of the comment. A lot of times I give you some things to think about, different questions that I'm asking you, resources that I suggest for you. At the very top of your piece, I give you a little message that usually says what I really enjoyed reading about, and then an overview, usually of the top 3 or so things that I would love for you to work on as you revise. So I will pose a lot of questions to you. I will give you a lot of feedback and thoughts. If I notice a pattern of error, and most people I notice 1 or 2 patterns of error, which means basically this is an editing issue that you tend to have throughout your paper, and how you should be on the lookout for that as you not only work through this piece, but through your future pieces as well. All right, so don't be overwhelmed. Just because you see a lot of comments out to the side, a lot of times students think, oh, these are all the things I did poorly or wrong. That's not really how I give feedback. My feedback is often my response to you as a reader. It may be questions I have for you. It may be, oh, I really think you should move this here, or oh, I'd love to hear more about that. Please expand this. So you may also see more on the first page, because this is where maybe I'm marking not only, just ideas, my general overall message to you as well at the top of the page, but also if I'm marking patterns of error, I would mark it on the first page, but I wouldn't, return to that on the second pages. So make sure you read these carefully. There again is not going to be a grade on your paper as per our final grade rubric. However, keep in mind at the end of the semester when you are revising your pieces, I do expect you to address all of the things that I commented on in my revision comments. I'm hoping that I've been clear enough that, I have given you plenty to understand and to work with when you read through these. But of course, if there's anything that you don't understand, or if maybe I gave you a suggestion and you understand it, but you don't know what to do with it or how to make the change, reach out to me and I am happy to work with you through whatever issues you may have.